Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the WINER LED Road Flares. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. Alright, so as we get the box open, we'll find that it actually has a nice little case to keep in the car or your garage or whatever. I mean, obviously I'd want to keep these in the car if I were you. That way they're easily accessible. Charging cable, you got a couple that each charge up 3 at a time, which is nice. And obviously we'll pull these out and find your user manual to kind of show you how they work. So you've got all 6, which is great. Now each one will look the same underneath, but I want to show you a couple key pieces here. So first and foremost, they're going to be USB-C charging capabilities. So it's USB-A to USB-C, and you'll just kind of want to knock all 3 out at once, just plugging in at the same time. Now, obviously you can stack these, so it'll make that process a little bit easier and not take up a ton of space. Also want to show, while I've got this here, the hanging capability. So if you're going to use this as a work light, hang it underneath the hood of the vehicle. You can hook it into somewhere, and then of course it is also magnetic. And so not the best piece to demonstrate this with, but did want to just kind of show you that it is in fact magnetic. So you have those different functionalities. Power is going to be on the front. And then, of course, as we cycle through, we actually can make this a work light as well. And that's when, especially in effect, when we're going to be hanging this thing. And then off. So a lot of different capabilities. Again, read your instruction manual. But this thing is really, really cool. And obviously comes with charge. So I would recommend that you charge this up before you put them away. But I'm going to go ahead and charge them, and then I'll show you one in the dark so you can get a feel for what it looks like and how much it lights things up. So when charging, you'll see that they light up in red, and I specifically wanted to just show you kind of that I am using a power block, charging kit here, as opposed to using a regular like plug in the wall or anything like that. So there's a lot of different ways you can kind of charge these up. So if you have something in a portable charger in the car, you can utilize that, or anything from your regular car, or to just charge them up. So great functionality there, and we'll go ahead and show you outside. So as you can see, I've got all 6 charging on just one power bank, which is pretty cool. And you can just tell they go green once they're fully charged. Alright, so as you can see in the dark, it lights up things pretty great. So these things are totally amazing. Definitely worth buying. I would recommend you get a 6-pack for each car that you own, and hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.